Hello curious mind and eager learners, welcome to the Quick Tech Guidelines. Today we are going to learn an amazing Microsoft Excel's feature, yet it's very simple as well. So let's just not waste more time and get to the computer screen where we have a list. Over here, the name of people and people will be selecting their own zodiac. You have an error margin over here, so that in order to kill the error margin, we'll select the data validation option over here, where I have a list of the zodiac signs and I want the people to only select from these. Alright, and date ranges for respective zodiacs are also mentioned. So if people will manually type, there will be an error margin, there could be a spell mistake or whatsoever. So in order to apply data validation, I'll first go to the data tab and then go to the data validation panel over here, as you can see on the screen as well. And in the settings tab, and from allow drop down menu, there are multiple options I can select, but right now I'll go with the list one. I'll select the list. Alright, and in the source I will have to select the source. I'll go to the source and select all these options which I want them to appear in the drop down menu. Okay, and error alert, which I want error to be displayed on the screen. Warning, wrong entry. Alright, I'll press OK, and now boom, see, all the zodiac signs are available and names are over here. I'll drag this format till the end of the range. For example, John has Gemini, Travis has Libra, Johnson has Cancer, Marlon got Aquarius, Sanders has Pisces. This is one just example. You can tweak with respect to your own data sheets. If you like the video, then give it a big thumbs up and tell me from which part of the world you're watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.